Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to talk about the payment methods that are accepted on Ticketmaster UK. Now, Ticketmaster UK accepts a variety of payment methods to accommodate different preferences as of the latest information available. Now, the following accepted payment method includes credit card and debit card. Majority of the credit card and debit cards such as Visa, MasterCard, American Express and Master are available or that are accepted for Ticketmaster, and you can also use your online payment methods such as your PayPal and Apple Pay. However, if you have received a gift card, then you could also go ahead and redeem it as a way of payment process, and you'll get some certain amount of discount. Now, these options provide flexibility, making it convenient for users to purchase tickets. Always check the payment page to add the checkout for the most current and specific options, as they might vary or be updated at any time. So this was the information about the payment method that are accepted on Ticketmaster UK. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.